How to see incognito history on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Chrome browser on your device. Now tap search bar and you need to type in the URL chrome double dot slash slash chrome dash URLs and tap on it to get access to the site. And here you will see all the list of Chrome URLs. You simply need to scroll down and locate Chrome history. Tap on it and boom, here you can see all your incognito histories on mobile. So if you wish to delete this incognito history on mobile, you can tap delete browsing data or simply the individual one you can tap the cross icon next to it and delete it. You can either tap delete browsing data to delete all this browsing history or incognito history on mobile and tap delete data. So that's it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.